Hello official Money Pill family, welcome to our new video. Various studies suggest that one of the many benefits of making money online is that you can sign up for multiple jobs and start working on them whenever and wherever you want. In today's video, you will learn how to make money using Google Translate without experience and knowing every language in the world. Now I'm going to present you with the unique way of making lots of money by using Google Translate. To do so, you must stick around till the end of the video and implement these simple tricks. So without wasting any precious time, let us begin. Step 1. Create accounts on freelancing platforms and look for a content writing job. The first step to your money-making journey from Google Translate is to sign up for different freelancing platforms. Now there is no limit of restrictions on your choice, and you can go for Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer.com, or any other. Let us consider Upwork as of now. Create an account on Upwork, and there you will search for content writing niche. As you will scroll, you will see a massive amount of people are offering content writing services, and they are doing it manually. Now, in this fast-forward era, there is a dire need for original yet well-researched content. So many people own businesses and websites. Thus, they are always on the lookout for more and more new content such that they will have more leads coming in and they have more traffic on their websites. So the thing is that these people are offering services but are working manually. In today's lesson, you will learn to generate automated yet unique and original content in a reasonable period. In this way, you are going to get a significant advantage over people who offer these services manually. Let me just briefly guide you on how to create an account on Upwork so you don't miss out on anything. Number 1. Go to Upwork.com and click on Sign Up. Number 2. Sign up using your work email address, Apple, or your Google account. Number 3. Add your personal information. Number 4. Start your Upwork profile by telling us about the work you do. Number 5. Highlight your educational background. Number 6. Highlight your past work experience. Number 7. Add your language proficiency. Number 8. Set your hourly rate. Number 9. Indicate your title and overview. Number 10. Add a profile photo and contact deals. And there you go. Creating an account on other platforms requires similar kinds of information, so don't be stressed out and don't waste long hours creating the account only because there is a lot more work on yet. So better stay with us. Step 2. When you get an order, go to Google Translate. After you win an order from a freelancing website for a content writing niche, then you have to go to Google Translate and type down the thing that you are supposed to write. Let's suppose for now that you have the order for writing down an article on the fishing website. So go to Google Translate and write down beginner fishing content. And then you're going to translate that to any other language. Let us say Chinese. Then you will come to the website page where websites are visible. Click any of the websites. Now keep in mind that you are not able to read any of these things as they are in Chinese. Always keep in mind, never use only one website to complete your research because a well-researched article or script requires you to bring out the best of content from more and more sources. So more sources will increase the credibility of your research. Step 3. Get the Google Translate extension for Chrome. A lot of apps and websites, they're free extension on Google, which means that you can use their services even if you are on any other web page. For example, the Google Translate extension means that you can use the Google Translating services for different websites and web pages as well. For the Google Translate extension, you will search on Google Translate extension for Chrome, and then you will get an option to add the extension to Chrome. So now you have the extension of Google Translate. After this, you will go back to the website you opened in the previous step, and by right-clicking, you will see an option for translating the page. Select the English language, and boom! The page is now translated into English. In this manner, you will get access to unlimited unique content because most of those websites don't have a translated version of English. For your satisfaction, you can also use any plagiarism checker like Turnitin, Copyscape, or Grammarly. And not surprisingly, the content will all be original. Step 4. Use ShineRankerBot for content optimization. Now, after getting a significant amount of content, you are going to come to ShineRankerBot.com. For those who don't know about ShineRanker, here is a brief intro for you all. ShineRankerBot shows the range of a title result within the keyword research feature. Similar tools or competitors that offer the same quality are ahead by years of ShineRankerBot, which means that they have more extensive resources. There are multiple features built into their platforms. However, the team of developers is actively working on stabilizing and perfecting the existing tool features so we can provide you with the greatest possible experience. ShineRanker Bot has various different features. Some are still in a testing phase and still a lot of work in progress. Most of these will help you in the keyword research process and assist you in improving your website's performance by providing you insight from the website's audit result. There are two working subscription plans, monthly and annual subscription plans. The monthly subscription plan is offered for $75, while a yearly plan costs $750. Before you subscribe, you can use ShineRanker Bot free for 10 days. Now, in today's lesson, you are going to go to shinerankerbot.com, either a free trial or if you have paid version. Then you will select the content editor option from there and type down the content you want content for. That is phishing. ShineRanker Bot will guide you about the quality of content, as well as if you require more information to add on for this article to rank it on Google. If you require more content, then you can just go and choose another website, translate the whole website again, and create another big chunk of unique content you have for your use. As you add content, make changes, and for the article for a good flow, you will see the meter on the left showing your score will start to increase the moment there is any betterment in your added content. Step 5. Make a few relevant changes. As we proceed in this video, I would like to suggest you all never wholly copy and paste the articles and submit them, even though the technique we have used above will generate original content, but still follow good writing ethics. Always proofread your articles and make all the relevant changes. For the grammar part, you can simply purchase Grammarly Premium or just use the free version. The point here is never ever rely on a copy-pasted work. Always go for a proofread. Moreover, even if the content is original, the pictures that you have copied may be detected by someone later on. So for that part, you will just go to iStock or Unsplash type websites, and there you can get access to free yet amazing images. Hence, you can take the pictures for your article from there. Step 6. Submission. After completing all the above steps, proofreading and changing the pictures, now your article is ready to be submitted to the client who ordered you to write the essay. No one will ever guess that you have used this technique. Unlike robot-generated content, Google immediately and more often detects a robot-generated content because that is usually spun content or factually wrong. But this translating technique provides you with factually correct and highly original content. So by now, you have completed an order on Upwork. As I said earlier in this video, we have supposedly used Upwork. In your case, you can choose any of the freelancing platforms besides Upwork as well. And the methodology and work will be identical, and just the approach will be different depending on the forum you are working on. So guys, this was it. I hope you all learned a lot from this video. Don't forget to support us in our mission to guide you all to start making money online. You can also show your support by subscribing to our channel, Official Money Pill, and this way you won't miss out on any of our informative videos.